Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Carla and today I'll be preparing some mango ice cream. Here are the ingredients. I'll be using some whipping cream, some condensed milk, some mangoes, peanuts, which I'm going to be crushing before I actually add them to my mix. Yes, there they are. And I'm also going to be using some vanilla. Now, the measurement for all these ingredients will be in the description below, so you can go and check that out. Alright, so to begin, I'll be pouring the entire box of whipping cream into a large container. This is about a little bit over 3/4 cup of whipped cream. So I'm trying to get everything out the box. Nothing will be going to waste. Alright, so after I have poured that out, I'm going to be whipping this for a good while, at least until I see that it is fluffy enough and it's able to form a peak. Then I'll know that I'm ready to add the other ingredients. In the meantime, if it is that you like this video so far, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe if you have not already done so. Also, remember to watch those ads to support this channel. Alright, now you can see the change in texture, change in consistency of the whipping cream. Now it's almost time for me to add the other ingredients. So now I'm going to be adding the mangoes, and I'm using some what we call Julie mangoes here in Jamaica, but feel free to use any other mango. I choose the Julie because it's not that stringy as other mangoes, so I felt very comfortable using this one. Then I'm going to be pouring my condensed milk, and remember that the measurement for all these ingredients are in the description below. Now I'm going to be adding some vanilla and also my mashed or my crushed peanuts. And that is it for all the ingredients. Now I'm going to be mixing all these ingredients together for a little while, at least until they're all combined. Alright, so now this is about finished, and I'm going to be pouring this mixture in a clean container. Alright, so after pouring everything in the container, I'm also going to be using the ceramic plastic to cover the container, and then I'm going to also be using the cover of the dish to cover to make sure that it's sealed and covered properly. Then I'm going to be adding this to the refrigerator, to the freezer, for at least 6 hours, or some persons prefer to leave it overnight, and that is what I plan to do. I plan to leave this overnight. Alright, so now this is the next day. And I'm going to check to see what my result is. So let me get that off. And look at that. It's all frozen and ready to eat. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to scoop me out some, and you'll see what it looks like. And here we have it. Oh my, look at that. Look at that texture. Look at that texture. And you can see the crushed peanut. Look at that. Now tell me something. Oh my God. Real Jamaican mango ice cream. Looks really good. What do you think? Tell me, comment and tell me what you think. I know that you're not able to taste it, but oh my God, the texture speaks for itself. All right, so I'm gonna dig in. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that look really good? No, I think I need to go on camera and Now for the moment of truth. Oh my God, totally delicious, creamy and smooth, and oh my gosh, beautiful. Anyway, if it is that you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.